how do you shut it off? And how do you turn it on? So you might think it's a silly question to ask, but don't worry, you're not alone, because when I first got my Tesla, I asked the Tesla advisor the same question, because there's no buttons and there's no keyholes. You know, like a regular gasoline car, you can just take the car key and stick into the keyhole and turn it on. Or there's some car might have a push to start button and you just push it to start and push again to shut off. Well, with Tesla it's a little bit different. With Tesla, it's always on. That's right. As soon as you get into the car, it's on. And when you get out of the car and you walk away for several feet, it'll shut off and it'll lock the car doors and the mirrors will fold in. But what happened if you're just in the car and you don't want to drain your battery and you don't want the engine to keep on running? Okay guys, so I'm in my car and the first thing we're gonna do is look for this button and we're gonna press it. And then we're gonna go over to this and look for safety. And if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you should see a power off button. Go ahead and press it. And here it'll say, are you sure you want to turn the power off? And you want to place your foot on the brake to turn the power back on. So we're gonna go ahead and hit power off. All right guys, that's how you do it. So the screen is dark and the AC is off. And now to power back on the car, that's all we have to do is go ahead and apply your brake. And you see, it's back on. So guys, I hope this video is very helpful to you, and that now when you're in the car, you know how to power it down and how to turn it back on. And if you like the video, please subscribe, hit that like button, and comment down below. And I'll see you in the next video.